Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable Windows Firewall on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Open that up. Select the view by up at the top right and select large icons. And then you want to go down and select where it says Windows Defender Firewall. Go ahead and select that. And then where it says turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, go ahead and select that on the left panel. You would select turn off Windows Defender Firewall for private and public network settings, respectively, and then select OK. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.